Well, you must be thinking, what am I doing at the set of MasterChef? Well, I am at AAHAR 2026 where it is happening live, the same excitement, same energy.
The Culinary Art Show organized by Indian Culinary Forum is happening at Hall Number 1, first floor, and it's a spectacle that you don't want to miss. Here are some of the finest chefs from across the country who are coming together to showcase their extraordinary culinary skills, creativity, and passion for food. From beautifully plated gourmet dishes to innovative food concepts, every creation here is truly a work of art. The professional chefs are hosting live workshops and masterclasses. From live cooking competitions to innovative plating and artistic presentations, each plate tells a story, and the expert jury is here to judge the artistry, flavor, and finesse behind these culinary. So whether you are a food enthusiast, a professional chef, or someone who simply loves extraordinary food experiences, make your way to the Culinary Art Show at Hall Number 1, first floor.